Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then my name is Alokrita Barua and I make videos around fashion, beauty, lifestyle, skincare and a lot of random things. Thanks a lot if you've subscribed to this channel. Thanks for taking the time out and just being here supporting. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button, show some love, share this video with your friends and family. And without much rambling, I would like to get straight into this video. So this is the part 2 of the Nykaa haul which I did previously. The part 1 was on makeup. This is going to be all about skincare. All of these items I got from the previous Diwali sale. Nykaa is having its Pink Friday sale till tomorrow, that is the 30th of November. So if you like any of this, if you are willing to invest in some good skincare, then go ahead and check out Nykaa. You might find these in better deals than I did. Anyway, without any further ado, let's continue watching. Great. This is the winter season, right? So we all need that extra boost of hydration on our skin. Personally, my skin tends to get really dry during the winter season, so I do need to take extra precautions and extra care to give my skin that extra glow and hydration. So I got a couple of things from this brand called Laneige. So this is an entire kit and it has some smaller travel size samples in here, and this is the hydration to go for normal to dry skin. And I have been using this for some time now, and I must say that if you are looking for good skincare products, something from this brand, then do give this one a try. It has 5 products in it. Let me quickly show it to you. So it comes with a moisturizing cream cleanser, and then it comes with the Water Bank Hydro Essence, the Water Bank Moisture Cream, Water Sleeping Mask, and a Lip Sleeping Mask. This kit costed me 1850 rupees. So this one is the moisturizing cream cleanser, and I have been using this since day one and I absolutely love it. This is the kind of cleanser or a face wash which does not dry out your face. This one is very moisturizing. It is like a foamy, creamy cleanser, and it's very mild. It does not irritate your skin. I have not seen any kind of reaction on my face till now. And it does have 30 ml of product, which is not bad for a sample size product. And I've been using this for over, I think, 2 weeks now, and there's still a lot of product left in here. Once you've cleansed your face with this, you move ahead with the Hydro Essence Water Bank. This is basically an essence or a serum, so kind of use it like a toner. And I know the bottle is pretty small and it has around 10 ml of product, but it's again convenient if you're just testing it out on your skin. And after that, you use the moisturizing cream, which comes in this small tub. This again has 10 ml of product in it. This one I love. I absolutely love, and I recommend it, highly recommend it. So basically this is just a moisturizer, like a cream moisturizer, and it's really lightweight, and it does not feel sticky on the skin or anything. Your skin kind of absorbs all of it, and it gives the right kind of hydration, especially during the winters. Moving on to the next product, which is the Water Sleeping Mask. This again is an amazing product, and a lot of people rave about it. I've heard such good and seen such good reviews on this. So basically you apply this during your nighttime skin routine, or before going to bed. You could just wash your face, pat your face dry, and then go ahead, apply some good amount of this on your face and leave it as it is. You wake up in the morning and just rinse it off with cold water. This again is very lightweight, so it comes in this blue, kind of a blue, white blue, kind of a gel like texture, and it's really good. So do you see that? It just feels super hydrating and very, very moisturizing. Your skin instantly absorbs it. It does not feel heavy, it does not feel sticky or anything. Moving on to the last item, which is the lip sleeping mask. It's basically a balm. Again, before going to bed, you can, or just, you know, you could use it whenever you want. It's basically a lip balm, but it is extremely moisturizing. I mean, I use it at night before going to bed. I apply like a thick coat of it. The original product, I mean the bigger size product, comes for 500 bucks. So I'm not sure if I'm willing to spend 500 rupees on just a lip balm. But yeah, it's definitely, you know, worth it if you are just, you know, looking for something to test out before you really invest your money in this. This one, again, like I said, is very, very moisturizing. I have extremely dry and chapped lips, especially during the winters, and this has helped me a lot with that dryness. So along with this kit, I did get some free samples. Again, I got another lip sleeping mask, which is good. So I have 2 of these, and this is gonna last me a very long time. And then I got 2 of these products. Sorry about that. I got 2 of these products. So one is basically a skin refiner, and another is a tone up cream. Again, this is basically like a toner and a moisturizing cream. This very famous and overhyped product, which is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence. Again, I was very, very skeptical on, you know, purchasing this one. I was not sure if this is gonna work. This is basically looks like water, and it feels like water. The texture is completely watery, but it does have some good ingredients in it, like salicylic acid, which is really, really good for your skin. You can use this during the daytime or during your nighttime routine. After you're cleansed or washed your face, you can just, you know, take in like few drops of this and, you know, pat it onto your skin. You don't have to massage it or, you know, rub it around. You just need to just pat it gently onto your skin. I have used this once or twice, but I'm not sure if it has worked the way I was expecting it to work. It says that it increases your skin elasticity. It gives a very smooth and radiant look to your skin. Your skin feels really, really glowy and plump. But I have not really seen that, and this one was for 250 rupees. That's the original MRP, and after discount I got this for 225. Moving on to another face wash. This is the Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. This one was originally priced at 345 rupees, and after discount I got it for 275. I've used this a couple of times and I love it. So, and this, it says that this is good for combination oily as well as acne prone skin. It's very, very mild. Like the other one, this does not dry out your face. It does not suck out all the moisture from your face. It is very, very refreshing. It cleanses your pores, and it's completely very, very mild. It does not have any any sort of strong ingredients or chemicals or, you know, fragrance in it. The best thing about this is green tea. So green tea is absolutely amazing for your skin. All you need is just a little bit of this, massage your skin, and it has like small tiny beads, which also works like a scrub, but it's not very harsh on the skin. It does not tug or pull your skin or irritate your skin in any way. And it has 75 ml of product, which is not bad. It is a pretty large tube, as you can see, and this will definitely last a very long time. So I got these small face packs from Innisfree. These are basically face packs or face masks, and all of these have different ingredients in it. So one is bamboo, the other one is green tea, then this one is, I think, honey. This one is the volcanic one. So they have like different ingredients in this one, and this one is bija and aloe. So all of these face packs comes with different instructions on it. So when you open the pack, they have the instruction written here on how to use this. So this one, it says leave on overnight and wash it off next morning. So yeah, all of these work differently. I've used a couple of these and I love it really. Each of these costed me 150 bucks, which is not bad because it does have quite a lot of product in it. Alright, so that was all for the face. Moving on to the body, I got this one, which is another very famous product, which is the MAC Caffeine Naked and Rich Choco Body Butter. So I have been meaning to use this or get this one for a very long time. So it comes in this huge box and the box is pretty sturdy. This one was originally priced at $645, that's the MRP, and after discount I got it for 575 rupees, which is not bad. It has 250 grams of product, and that is how the tub looks. It is a huge tub, as you can see, and this is gonna last you a very long time. And then it comes with this very moussey, creamy, thick texture. The texture is pretty thick, but once you apply it on your skin, on your body, it just melts like butter, and it smells like chocolate and caramel mousse, so you will smell like chocolate the entire day. Before this one, I did use their coffee scrub, which again comes in a similar tub. This is a huge tub and I got this a long time back. So I really like MAC Caffeine and their products. I must say this is amazing. If you are looking for a good scrub, body scrub, get yourself this one. So this one is for normal to oily skin, and the main ingredient here is coffee and coconut. So basically this is coffee particles and it has coconut oil in it. So I got this one I think 4 to 5 months back, and let me tell you that there is still a lot of product left in this. So if you do get this, trust me, it's gonna last you a very long time. When you scrub your body with this, your skin is gonna feel extremely soft. Like, I just love this, and it comes with this little wooden spoon, which makes it really convenient to scoop out the product, and you don't have to dig in with your wet fingers or anything. So with that body butter, I got another free sample. So the free samples came in this little pouch, and this is this is such an amazing quality pouch. You can use this for anything, like to store your trinkets or whatever. And it came in with the body scrub, this small tub for it, and I've not yet opened it because I'm still using the other one. And it came in with a coffee body polishing oil. So I've also been meaning to try this polishing oil for a long time. Good thing that I got a sample size product for this. So basically it's just oil, and it comes with coffee and vitamin E. So that's amazing. Moving on to the last item, which is for the feet. So I got my hands on this beautiful product. It is from Kama Ayurveda. It comes in this beautiful box. This is a very sturdy box. You can use this for anything. You can store a lot of products in this. So this is like a combo pack, and it comes with a foot scrub and a foot cream. So this one I got for 1245 rupees, and you can actually get these as you can get these separately as well. It's not necessary that you get the duo or the combo pack, but I wanted both a foot scrub and a foot cream, and I've used this a couple of times, and this is really good. It has so many amazing essential oils in it. It has pure essential oils of lemon, verbena, and cedar wood, as well as sandalwood. So you first wet your feet, or just dip your feet in lukewarm water for some time. Maybe scrub it with a pumice stone or not, and then you can go ahead with this foot scrub. It is amazing. It feels super soothing. You just need to massage it all over your feet and your heels and everywhere. And then once you've scrubbed, you can just remove it with lukewarm water, and then once you've pat dry your feet, you can go ahead with the foot cream. Both of these smell amazing. It's really aromatic. It feels really calm and soothing, and your feet just feels really soft and supple after you've used this one. So definitely check this one out. So that was all for today. If you like this video, please definitely give it a thumbs up, and I will see you soon with another brand new video. Until then, stay safe, stay indoors, and be happy. Bye.